Is it possible to predict the economic future accurately? Welcome to an exploration of the intricacies of economic forecasting, the science of educated guessing. The economy is a complex creature, a beast of many parts that often seems to have a mind of its own. But, like any beast, understanding its nature and behavior can help us predict its next move. Think of the economy as a massive, intricate machine, with billions of parts all moving in concert. Each part represents a different aspect of the economy: workers, consumers, businesses, investors, governments. Each one, in turn, influences the others, creating a vast interconnected web of cause and effect. This web is what economists attempt to understand and predict. They use models, which are essentially simplified versions of reality, to try and predict how changes in one part of the machine will affect the rest. For example, if a government decides to increase spending on infrastructure, that could lead to more jobs, which could increase consumer spending, which could then boost business profits, and so on. But it's not as simple as that. There are countless other factors at play, from interest rates to international trade, that can either amplify or dampen these effects. This is where the concept of economic indicators comes in. These are pieces of economic data that economists use to gauge the health of an economy. They include things like unemployment rates, inflation rates, and gross domestic product, or GDP. Yet, even with all these tools, economic forecasting is far from foolproof. The economy is not a machine that follows a set script. It's a living, breathing entity that's influenced by everything from the weather to the whims of human behavior. So what have we learned? Firstly, the economy is a complex, interconnected web of cause and effect, with countless factors influencing its behavior. Secondly, economists use models and economic indicators to try and predict this behavior, but these tools are far from perfect. And finally, despite its complexity and unpredictability, understanding the basic principles of the economy can help us make sense of it, and perhaps even anticipate its next move. So, the next time you hear an economic forecast, remember the intricacies and uncertainties that lie behind it. And remember, in the world of economics, even the most educated guess is just that, a guess. While we may not have a crystal ball to predict the exact future of our economy, armed with understanding, we can navigate through its ebbs and flows with greater confidence.